Welcome to our Doubly Linked List tutorial. Each node contains data and 2 pointers. This allows for easy bidirectional traversal, great for undo functionality. Let's get started. Let's define a doubly linked list. Both offer constant time data structure. Each node contains 3 distinct fields, data and 2 pointers. Now let's discuss basic operations. To insert a node, we just adjust 4 pointers. Deletion is also very straightforward. We simply bypass the node. Let's explore how we search. We must traverse node by node. It's a sequential scan. There it is, found. There it is, found. Let's compare complexities. Both offer constant time head operations, but doubly linked lists excel at tail operations. This makes them incredibly efficient. Let's define a doubt structure. Each node has 3 distinct parts, a previous pointer, data, and next pointer. Notice the memory addresses. This enables two-way linking. Let's look at insertion. We can easily add a node at the beginning. We just update the previous and next pointers. And the list is updated. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's look at insertion. We can EU node becomes the last node. We just update the previous and next pointers. Operation complete. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's look at insertion. We can EU node between 2 existing nodes. We just update the previous and next pointers. Operation complete. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's look at insertion. We can EU node between 2 Next, we just update the previous and next pointers. Finally, we remove from the middle. Link to surrounding nodes. Let's look at insertion. We can EU node between 2 Now for delete, just update the previous and next pointer. Most are constant time operations. Subscribe for more tutorials. A huge thank you to all my subscribers here at Prof Krish Official. Please like this video, leave a comment and share it with your friends.